we're here at the Mansfield barn at the end of week 7. So we had a nice cold week this week. We had a big snowstorm, 3-degree temperatures on Tuesday, and if you'll recall, we had that side of the roof done. The east end of the roof was done at the end of week 6 last week, and we came in Monday kind of knowing that there was going to be a snowstorm, but not wanting to do a whole lot else except finish the roof. So we stripped the roof off on Monday and had a bare roof deck on Tuesday and decided to just go with it. And so we got up there on Tuesday and papered and plywooded the rest of the roof. We didn't get done until yesterday, Wednesday. But as you see, we have the entire roof plywooded and taped, and it's all dried in at this point. After we got done with that yesterday, we rigged up the cupola, which you can see over here. We flew off the cupola, which needs pretty extensive repairs and just made a lot more sense to do on the ground. So there it sits. Once the floor is inside the barn, our plan is to pick the cupola up again and set it inside the barn so we can do all the repairs and tent it and paint it and everything inside the barn. And so that's where we're at now, just finishing up some odds and ends, doing some trim, some roof trim, and we'll be done up on the roof for just a bit. And I'll show you some stuff on the inside of the barn. We're down here in the basement where a couple of guys were working during the coldest of weather on Tuesday. And we had a couple of guys stripping out the rest of the floor that was still left in here, and we're down to the structural beams that we're going to leave, and then the rest of the floor framing will be new engineered lumber. So that's going to come on Tuesday, and we'll start reframing the floor and getting the subfloor down. So you can see a mix of new and old beams down here. You can see specifically one of the repairs that we've done in what we call a transverse sill, a cross sill, where we get the new and old wood spliced together, and it's held together with 4 pegs and kind of complements the old wood while giving some nice contrast with the new wood and structurally sound.